So, we all know how awesome it feels to imagine alien life beyond Earth, and when we imagine that, we see an alien species never seen by humanity, and all you see is this beautiful world filled with elegant creatures. But Mother Nature is the only place with life that we know of. But that could change in the future, where the first human makes first human contact with a newly discovered alien species. Well, enough imagination. I will tell you all the facts you need to know about astrobiology and why alien life exists beyond our blue marble called Earth. Number 1. Do you know how life formed on Earth? Well, there is no definite answer to that, but there are a lot of theories on how life could have formed on Earth. The most likely way life formed here on Earth is where all the conditions were just right for tangled molecules to untangle to form joint organic molecules, creating the first cellular life, and it stayed that way for billions of years. This is how life formed on Earth, but life could form in many other bizarre ways, and in some cases, life is impossible. Number 2. We are in the right spot in the solar system, called the Goldilocks Zone. We are not too close to the sun where life can't form due to the immense heat, but not too far away where it would be too cold, and there is a spot just right for life to form, and these planets are called exoplanets, and there are about 11 billion of them in our own galaxy. So there's a really high chance of life forming in at least one of them, so don't worry, life probably existed, but really, really far away. I'm talking light years away, so we will only see alien life in the future of humanity. Number 3. The Drake Equation. The Drake Equation is the mathematical process of proving how active alien life can be formed. The process of mating alien life is very low due to some studies, but some put the chances of meeting alien life higher on the scale. But the Drake Equation puts a brake on everything because it makes the process of finding alien life almost impossible because all of the requirements. But there are some other promising theories that we could find alien life in about 1,000 years. There are promising futures in the field of astrobiology. Number 4. How will alien life look? Alien life will look much weirder and strange than animals on our own planet because of gravity. This is because heavier gravities means stockier, bulkier, and flat creatures, but a weak gravity means long, skinny, and flexible creatures where their bones are thin and fragile. But the stronger gravity will have thick bones to support itself, but intelligent life on other planets will look similar to us because we need thumbs to hold objects and create anything, and legs to walk, and a brain to think. So intelligent life may look very humanoid. Number 5. What is the closest exoplanet? The closest exoplanet that can harbor life is the nearest solar system to us. Alpha Centauri has an Earth-like planet at its Goldilocks Zone, which can harbor life. The sad news is it is 4 light years away. It would take thousands and thousands of years to get there with modern technology, but there are new ways we can get to Alpha Centauri. We can use the idea of breakthrough starships, which can travel at 20% of the speed of light and can get to Alpha Centauri in 20 to 30 years and can take photos of the exoplanet. So if the project is continued, you can know about alien life in your lifetime. Well, that's the end of the video. If you like facts about space and other space-related things, then consider subscribing for more fact videos on space. Till then, goodbye.